Hello, my name is Florian Jakob and I'm going to show you around on ProfiCloud.io, the IoT platform from Phoenix Contact. In this video, we are going to take a look at the elements of a widget inside the energy management service. So without further ado, let's dive right in. I already have the energy management service open and I created this widget. So I'm just going to explain the elements we are going to see over here. With every widget you have, you can change the naming, you can change the visualization type. For example, you could use a Pareto chart, a line chart, a pie chart to see the differences between these measured energy consumptions and so on and so on. If you want to use a metric, you can also use the data table over here. And let's see, we can see the consumption. We could switch to the emissions in kilograms with a preset rate, and we can also see the costs, which is quite valuable if you ask me. We're going to have it on consumption for right now. Another important thing is the time frame over here, so you can either have a fixed time frame, a fixed date, so to say, or you could have something like the last 24 hours. You could also toggle the live data. That means that you can actually see live data coming in. Let's toggle the live data, then this will be refreshed every minute. What you could also do in this visualization, you could always show an average, for example, or you could remove it completely here with these three dots. You can always have a full screen chart if you are really into digging in what you can actually see over here. You can see if you hover over the different bars, you will see the the detailed consumption. At the bottom, we have some options that we can set. In general, I could add or change the data sources in here, which can be done in every visualization over here. But I could also add a widget comment. So for example, this will then be present in the reports, for example, or this is just for the sake of transparency, which makes it valuable as well. So if we are talking about the last 24 hours, we're talking about one day efficiently. And in one day, we can always set the resolution. Let's, for example, take minutely, 50-minutely, or hourly. If we are taking a look at a greater time frame, which doesn't make sense, as you can see, data isn't coming in for that much time. But then if I select this month, this will change to weekly or daily or something like that. So it makes sense to have it available in this graph. You can always change the unit in here with the energy. Right now we are going to leave it at kilowatt hours because that's what we set at the beginning. In these Pareto charts, line charts, and pie charts, you always have the possibility to show the statistics. If we open the statistics, we can see the minimum, the maximum, the average, and the deviation over here from the incoming data from the last 24 hours. And we can always see the time when this value was reached. You can always add new widgets, and if you have more than 2 widgets in here, you can always change the position with these move up and move down buttons over here. Thank you very much for watching these small video snippets. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to reach out. We are more than happy to show you around, give you a live demonstration of what we are showing here. And we are very curious about your use cases, so please reach out. Have a good day. Bye-bye.